This is an 18-metre articulated vehicle from Irizar. Rapid transit with bus vehicles is a real priority for us in the city region. So we are looking at the vehicles that potentially provide the solution to that rapid transit project that we're looking to get off the ground. I'm delighted that the Irizar vehicle is here today. We've had it here for a few days. We're able to test that vehicle on the roads and the potential routes that we might use it, but also give potential customers the opportunity to see, touch and feel the vehicle and see how that might fit into our transport system. And we are franchising the buses, as Greater Manchester did over recent years. So we see rapid transit as being part of that integration solution between conventional bus and rail that we have here in the city region. This vehicle can travel on the conventional highway as a normal bus, but what we don't want to do is have the vehicle suffer the same delays on the highway network that other vehicles do. So we would look as part of this programme to dedicate road space where applicable and appropriate. So it wouldn't run on segregated road space on its entire route length, but where there are particular points that it really needs to move rapidly. City centre is obviously one of those spaces where we'll be looking very carefully at that, but there'll be parts of the route that just simply don't require that, and it can run on the conventional highway and mixed traffic. So we've got to plan through all of those stages to find the right solution. We can probably look at existing highway infrastructure and how we can convert road space to make sure that where appropriate, these vehicles have the freedom to run at the frequency and reliability that customers would expect from a rapid transit system. We've looked and worked very closely with Belfast, and their glider product has off-bus ticketing, which we know has worked very successfully. So our starting point would be to look at using off-bus ticketing. We would have to adapt current bus stands to facilitate a vehicle of this length. So it's a completely different experience for users, more like you would get if you were at a tram stop in another major city. That obviously speeds up the boarding of the vehicle with 3 doors and makes the journey much more reliable for customers.